Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies, I'm here to share with y'all why my saying has been so impactful to me. My sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. The sensational smiles to go for miles is simply because when you're out and about there and you're wanting to impress upon the world there your wonderful, positive, friendly nature there, it's so easy to do there by just simply smiling at other people there. By doing that one simple gesture there, you can affect a whole entire community, the whole entire world even there, by just simply by one person being in a good mood there. It creates a ripple effect there that can affect anyone and everyone there, and it's amazing there that just one simple thing there can have such a huge effect, and such a huge positive effect is an amazing thing there to see in this world there, to see people so kind and caring and looking out there for one another there and wanting to spread, goodwill and happiness and cheer on to everyone there, because everyone should be wanting to have good thoughts and good intentions there towards other people there. And I figure what better and more wonderful way to do it there than by doing something there that people could and should do every day there, just by being polite and kind to one another there, by simply just smiling there. That can completely improve someone's day there, by just simply doing that one simple thing there, by just smiling there, that shows that you're in a good mood there, and that can be what the people around you there are wanting to see. There is just simply someone in a good mood there, and that puts them in a bright and chipper and happy mood there, just because it's something positive there that they see in their day there that wasn't going so great before, but now they see someone in a good mood, cheery mood, happy mood, and it completely uplifts them, and it completely puts them in a different mindset, and it just, one small action there can completely impact the world, and one small change there can create this huge effect there that you couldn't have imagined to have been possible otherwise. I hope there that you guys though will definitely take the time there to simply smile and be kind to one another there. When you see people out and about, simply smile at them and even wish that they have a good day there, because that's such a small thing there that people can do, and it can have such a huge impact. And I want everybody on this planet there to treat everybody there with kindness, generosity, and being friendly. Comment down below what the most impactful moment that you guys have had of affecting someone there that you never thought would have had the effect that it did. I'd want to know what the kindest gesture there that you've done for someone is. Comment that down below. And make sure there that you smile at someone and you wish them a good day there, because it's the little things that matter the most. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope that you will hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to share with you guys more wonderful content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye subbies. Be kind to one another.